Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. You're watching my YouTube channel Daya's Craft, where you will see crafting DIY and this material DIY, home decorated ideas, etc. videos only on my channel. So today we will make wall hanging. First of all, we have to take a MDF board and we will cut the MDF board in a moon shape and in a water drop shape. And then we'll take molded dry clay and mix both of these. The clay has to be folded into a small shape and put it on the moon, and you can decorate in your own way. I'm doing dots with this type of help. And in the same way we have to decorate our drop shape in black color, and we have to take a needle and thread and insert some purse type in both of them, and in this way we have to get 5 thread ready. And then we need to take a mini mirrors and put them on the moon and the drops. The third thread that we had prepared, we have to take place it behind feature drops of the moon and put the thread and drops behind the moon. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. I hope you understand what I am saying. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.